Hi everyone, welcome to Slay Secrets YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about a wig that I bought online. The first time that I've ever purchased a wig online. I've always gone into the beauty supply store and shopped for a wig, so I know exactly what I'm, getting when I purchase a wig, because I try it on and I see if it, looks good on me or not, and I buy it, at that point, if it looks good. I bought this wig from Amazon. I've never purchased a wig from Amazon ever, so this will be interesting. I'm definitely excited. I have a little bit of anxiety because I don't know what's in this box. It might be trash or it might be really good. I paid $50 for the hair, no tax, so we will definitely see if it was worth 50 bucks or if I wasted 50 bucks. So I cannot stand online shopping, but I did want to try something new and I wanted to give Amazon a try. Amazon has really good customer service and they have a good return policy. So if you purchase something there, you can return it and get your money back. They'll work with you. So we are going to see what Amazon has to offer. I have trust issues with ordering stuff online, so we are going to see what Amazon is about. So let's open this box. I swear it's like Christmas morning every time I get a package in the mail, I'm so excited. Enough anticipation, let's open up this bad boy. This is a cute little box, I will say. First impression. Okay, you guys are ready? Ooh, okay. Oh, okay, stuff is falling out. Okay. So they give you a wig stand. This is definitely useful, so I'll have something to post the hair on. And it looks like they also give you some lashes. These are just basic eyelashes. They're alright, they're very thin, so it'll definitely, it's a natural looking lashes, but forget all the stuff. What else is in here? Nothing else. Okay, so the hair. Okay, the hair comes in a little net. Ooh, excited! Okay, it's definitely full. Ooh, I'm excited. It's water wave-ish, kind of like I can comb my fingers through it really nice. Ooh. So let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Let's see about shedding. I'm running my fingers through it. And it is easy. You see how easily my hands are going through the hair? It's not tangling. But nothing. Nothing. No shedding. What? No shedding. That's definitely a bonus. True to length. On the website for Amazon, it says it's 28 inches. This is pretty long. Definitely around that range, and it's layered too. So, see, there's shorter pieces at the top. I mean, not super short, but reasonable short at the top because it's layered all the way down. Oh snap, I think I made a good buy. Definitely thick. So the density, I think I saw online, it said it was 180. This is a lot of hair. This is a head full of hair. So definitely thick density. Definitely has a lot of volume. The smell. It smells like brand new hair. It smells like a brand new wig. So it doesn't stink at all. It just smells like you opened a brand new box of hair. So when I look at the ends look good. They look healthy. It's layered. So far so good. Okay, so let's talk about the closure slash the lace. So online for this wig, they advertise a large lace, and they have this picture of the lace that's supposed to be an example of the wig, and it just says in the description large area lace, and I'll definitely show you the picture that they advertise on Amazon. And this is the front of the wig with the lace. So I will say the lace is probably about 3 inches. This is what the important part is, because you want to know if you're going to be able to free part it. On the sides it decreases, but this looks like you might be able to actually do a couple braids and some ponytails, so that's good. So looking at the frontal, it already has baby hairs. See that? It already has baby hairs, and it looks like you might be able to get away. It's pretty transparent. You see, you can see through it pretty well. So you probably don't need to bleach it. You probably would be able to just get away with wearing it and not having to manipulate the lace to where it looks more natural. So that's definitely a plus. So the lace looks pretty full. You can part through it. It's not ridiculously thick, but it actually looks like it's naturally plucked. So I just made a little part right here, and that actually looks good. You can see my finger through the lace. So I don't think I'll need to bleach this. I think I could just hit the door and wear it just as is. So that's even more exciting. I'm really liking this. You know, it's my first wig I bought online, and it's not bad. What? I'm gonna start buying wigs online. Forget the beauty supply store, because they charge overpriced anyway. And I just got this for $50. $49.99. No tax, baby. No tax. You know, online it's a hit or miss, but you can definitely shop with Amazon, because they got your back. They do. They really want you to purchase good items and be happy. So I will start shopping from Amazon more often if I keep getting products like this. This is actually good. The hairline is pre-plucked too. It looks natural. They definitely did a good job with this wig. I don't know if the camera can see all of this, but maybe when I put it on my head, you guys will be able to see it better. But whatever direction you move the hair, it goes nicely. So okay, so the inside of the wig is also important. So I folded it inside out. Right, this is the back of the wig with the wefts, so it's breathable. It's not all netted, so you can actually possibly stretch this out, but I will still try it on to let you know, because I have a big head and my hair is naturally thick. So I will let you know if this baby fits me. If it does not fit me, I will definitely be giving it away. But anyways, this is the back of the wig. So it has one clip on the left side, one clip on the right side. Clip, that's the right side. Clip is the left side. And then one clip in the back, right? And then they also have the little drawstrings right here, so you can unattach it to give you more space. I will be unattaching it because I got a big head. So big head, no shame. Where my other big head girls at? Where you at? I'm about to let you know if this is a wig for YouTube, boo. We need to find wigs that fit the big head individuals. So I'm gonna let you know if you should waste your time, your money, your effort, your energy on this wig. So the truth will come to the light once I put this bad boy on, and I will let you know. I'm gonna tell you straight up, okay? Not gonna waste no time. I'm gonna let you know if this is a good buy, if this is a hit or miss. I will be back. I am going to try this baby on. I don't want this review to be too long, so we are gonna see you in a second, okay? Moment of truth, okay? Moment of truth. Okay guys, I'm back. I have the wig on and I absolutely love it. But straight to the point, it's tight. It is tight. It barely fits. So technically it doesn't fit, but it fits, but barely. So definitely, I'm not gonna lie to you, I got some hang time in the back, but you know what, we're not gonna talk about that. But I have the wig on for you to see. It is super cute. I love this thing. Oh my goodness, I'm in love with this hair. I just wish that it was a larger size, but I will still wear it. I'm not giving this away. What? I like it too much. Shoot. But anyways, so I am going to come closer. I was slowly creeping up, but I'm gonna come closer so you can see the hairline right here. So this is the lace. It's not long, so it's not 13 by 13, I would say. This is probably like a 8 or a 9 going across. So definitely something to think about. But the lace comes down to the sideburn area, kind of, but you're gonna cut this anyway, you know, so it's not gonna come down to your sideburn area. It definitely doesn't fit my entire head, but you know, we're not gonna talk about that. Nobody sees the back of your head anyway. So if you have a big head like me and you like this wig and you want to get 50 bucks, I think it's a good buy. I'm really feeling this hair. Okay, overall, even though the wig doesn't fit my entire head, I definitely rate this a 9 out of 10. Losing 1 point because of the fact that it's not large enough for me, but I will still wear it and I am still happy and I am a proud customer. The hair is called Noble Hair, and I'm just gonna read about it. So the hair is high quality, heat resistant synthetic fiber hair, human hair feeling, natural looking and excellent. It does feel like human hair and it does look like human hair. So we will definitely see if this takes heat, and we will definitely see if this hair lasts, because a lot of wigs that you might buy might not last that long. It might start natting after 1 day, or it might start natting after a month, or after 2 weeks, who knows. A few things about this. I shipped through Amazon standard ground, so it took about a week to get to me, so that's not bad. You can pay for advanced shipping, get it the next day, or you can pay for 2-day shipping or 3-day shipping, you know, it's up to you. Me, I was in no rush. I just chose to get it standard shipping, so it's gonna get here when it's gonna get here, right? I got this in natural black, so it's a 1B. Things about the hair: synthetic lace frontal wig, high quality Swiss lace. I will say the lace is soft. The lace is soft. It's not scratchy, it's not stiff, it's actually soft. So I will say that. Strong and soft, the lace. Never hurt the skin. I might believe that. You know, some lace are rough and it feels like it's taking off your edges. No, this doesn't feel like it's gonna snag any edges. So, but we'll definitely wear it for a longer period of time, and I'll update you on that one. It also says how to wash it. So the actual hair company, they do have their own return policy, But we're not gonna go over that because I'm not returning this hair. I am keeping this hair. I am very happy with this hair. So with that being said, as of right now, I am happy with the hair. I love it. It's so big. I'm gonna have so much fun with this hair. I know I'm too much, but what can I do? It's just all over the place. Let me stop before this wig fly off my head, cause that'd be something for YouTube. That'd be definitely something for YouTube. It's so light, it's not heavy, and it's pretty. And I just love flipping this hair. I love flipping the hair. Yeah, we're gonna see if it tangles after that. Shut the front door. It is not tangling. This hair is not tangling after all that hair flipping. What? I'm definitely gonna have fun with this hair, as you can see. It's just so soft. And it's not tangly, like what? Me and Noble Hair, we're about to be friends. Okay, so the hair is called Noble, and the hair company is Joedir Hair. So I'm definitely gonna see what else Joedir Hair has to offer, cause I'm digging this wig. It's good right now, but we're gonna find out. I will wear this hair for a whole week, 1 week. So I'm not going to glue it down. I'm just gonna put it on, take it off every night. So we are going to see how it holds up. I don't believe in sleeping in wigs because it gets too hot. Definitely will let you guys know how this hair turns out. I will definitely say I do appreciate them sending me these 2 gifts, because it definitely is not in the description that they give you a free wig stand and some lashes. So it's not the best, but anything free is definitely appreciated, and I will definitely put this to use. Okay, so I will let you guys know how this hair turns out. I am super excited. I'm so far in love. Hopefully I stay in love and don't fall out of love, because that can happen too. Just kidding, not really. But anyways, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Definitely do not forget to subscribe to Slay Secrets YouTube channel so that you never miss another video with moi. I got some good stuff coming your way, so you definitely want to stay tuned. We will see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.